So I'm going to show you something that's been saving me hours of work every single week. It's a workflow that combines NotebookLM with Codex to build AI skills that actually know what they're doing. And the result is basically turning research into a working agent that can handle specialized tasks without you having to explain everything from scratch every time. Here's the situation. If you're a freelancer or you run an agency, you know that SEO blog writing takes forever. You need to know the latest ranking factors, how to structure content, what AI overviews are looking for, all of that. And if you're charging clients $200 to $500 per blog post, you can't afford to spend 4 or 5 hours researching and writing each one. You need a system that lets you deliver quality work faster, so you can take on more clients or free up time for higher value work. Most people either wing it with generic prompts or they spend way too much time building knowledge bases manually. Neither option is great for your bottom line. What you really need is a way to pull expert level knowledge on SEO writing, structure it properly, and then turn that into a skill that Codex can use whenever you need it. That's exactly what this workflow does. NotebookLM handles the research part. It goes out and browses hundreds of sources on your behalf. Then you take that research into Codex and build a skill file. Once that's done, you have an agent that doesn't just kind of know SEO. It operates from a real knowledge base with frameworks and processes that top writers actually use. And you can call that skill anytime you're working on a client project. Let me walk through the whole thing step by step so you can build this yourself. Before we jump into NotebookLM, let me explain what a skill actually is in Codex. If you haven't used skills before, this is the piece that makes everything work. A skill is basically a structured knowledge file, usually Markdown, that tells Codex how to behave in a specific context. It's not just a system prompt, it's more like a domain playbook. You define what the task is, what good output looks like, what patterns to follow, what to avoid. You can include examples, frameworks, step-by-step instructions, all of it. When you load a skill into Codex or point it at your skills folder, Codex reads it and adapts accordingly. So if you have a skill for writing SEO blog posts, Codex isn't guessing what that means. It's working from a defined set of rules and knowledge. That's the whole point here. You're training Codex to be really good at one specific thing without having to re-explain yourself every single session. For freelancers, this means you can handle more client work in less time. For agencies, this means your team can deliver consistent quality without senior writers having to review every single draft. And for SaaS founders, this means you can publish content faster without hiring expensive writers. Now, the question is, how do you actually build a good skill? That's where NotebookLM comes in. NotebookLM added deep research back in November 2024, and if you haven't tried it yet, it's one of the more useful AI research tools available right now. Also, it's completely free. Here's how it works. You go into NotebookLM, you go to the Sources panel, you select Web as your source type. Then you get two options: Fast Research, which is a quick scan, and Deep Research, which is the one we want. You type in a question or topic, and NotebookLM literally goes and browses hundreds of websites on your behalf. It creates a research plan, it refines the search as it goes, and then it gives you a structured, source-grounded report in a few minutes. Alright, so let me show you exactly how this works end to end. Step 1 is pick your domain or topic. For this demo, I'm using SEO blog post writing because it's something freelancers and agencies deal with constantly. It's also easy to test and the ROI is clear. If you can write better SEO content faster, you can either charge more or take on more clients. Either way, you're making more money. Step 2 is run deep research in NotebookLM. I opened up a new notebook, went to the Sources panel, selected Web, and hit Deep Research. My question was, what are the most effective SEO blog post writing strategies and frameworks in 2025 to 2026, including content structure and formatting best practices for search rankings, keyword research and placement strategies that actually work, and things like that. I hit go and it ran in the background. In about 3 to 5 minutes, I got a structured report based on 56 sources. The report was called The Architecture of Modern Visibility, Strategic Content Engineering, and Generative Search Optimization in 2025 to 2026. It also imported all 56 sources into my notebook so I can reference them later if I need to dig deeper. So I asked NotebookLM a follow-up question. Based on all the research sources, what are the specific frameworks, step-by-step processes, and proven techniques for writing high-ranking SEO blog posts? Include structure templates, optimization checklists, and content formulas that top SEO writers use. NotebookLM went through all 56 sources and synthesized a detailed answer. It gave me the 14-element structure that top SEO writers use in 2026. This includes things like title tag under 60 characters, keyword first, meta description written as high converting ad copy 140 to 160 characters. It also gave me the step-by-step writing process. Prompt-oriented research instead of just keywords, information gain audit to make sure content provides unique value. Answer first engineering, where you structure every section with a direct declarative statement first, followed by supporting evidence, semantic mapping to build topical authority, technical AI readiness to make sure AI crawlers can actually read your content. Step 3 is creating the skill in Codex. I opened Codex and went to the plugin option in the sidebar. There's an option to create new on the top right. I clicked that and selected Create New Skill. For skill name, I wrote SEO Blog Writer. For what should this skill do, I wrote the skill helps write high-ranking SEO blog posts optimized for 2026 search engines and AI systems like Google's AI Overviews, ChatGPT, and Perplexity. Then we have to paste the entire NotebookLM output under Process and Knowledge Base. For how should the output be structured, I wrote this structured output style. I sent that and Codex asked me 2 questions. Do you want me to create the new skill in your default Codex skills folder so it is auto-discovered? I selected yes. Do you want me to inspect the newly created skill files in the Codex skills folder so I can finish setup? I selected yes. After that was done, I could see the SEO blog writer skill available in Codex. When I type / inside Codex, I can see it under the skills group. That means the skill is loaded and ready to use. I don't have to paste in frameworks or explain SEO principles every time I start a new project. I just call the skill and Codex knows exactly what to do. Now let's actually test this thing with a real example. I'm going to write a blog post about how to choose a project management tool for remote teams. This is a common topic that SaaS companies and productivity blogs cover. And it's competitive, so SEO actually matters here. I typed / in Codex, selected the SEO blog writer skill, and gave it this prompt. Write an SEO-optimized blog post about how to choose the best project management tool for remote teams. Target audience is small business owners and startup founders with 5 to 20-person remote teams. Codex read the skill file and started working. Within about 30 seconds, I had a complete 1,800-word blog post, and the output was exactly what the framework called for. Every element was in place. The structure followed the 14-point template. The content was optimized for AI extraction with answer nuggets in the right word count range. The headings were phrased as questions. There was a proper FAQ section, schema markup suggestions at the end, everything. That's the extraction test working in real time. Now here's why this matters for your business. If you're a freelance writer charging clients $300 per blog post, this skill just cut your writing time from 4 hours down to maybe 1 hour. You still need to fact-check, add your own insights, polish the tone, but the structure and optimization are done. That means you can take on 3 to 4 times as many clients without burning out. Or you can keep the same client load and use the extra time to upsell content strategy services. The library of skills you build up over time becomes genuinely valuable. This isn't a one-off trick. Once you understand this workflow, you can use it to build skills for email marketing, sales copy, product descriptions, technical documentation, whatever domain you work in. Each skill you create makes you faster and more effective at that type of work. So that's the full workflow. You use NotebookLM's deep research to pull structured expert knowledge on any domain you want. You take that research into Codex and build a skill file that turns that knowledge into repeatable agent behavior, and you end up with Codex that doesn't just kind of know your domain. It operates from a real knowledge base and gets better every time you update it. Alright, so that's it from the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.